Imagine you're at a concert, the music's pumping, and then a high-pitched ringing invades your ears, haunting you long after the band finishes. That's tinnitus, and many believe it's a life sentence. But here's the truth. Tinnitus can heal itself, but not like you think. It's about retraining your brain, not just waiting it out. Most people are unaware that neuroplasticity offers a pathway to recovery. Studies show the brain can adapt and even silence those phantom noises, but you have to take action. Start by implementing daily mindfulness meditation, focusing 10 minutes on your breath while visualizing the sound fading away. Combine that with sound therapy. Try listening to gentle ocean waves or white noise for at least 30 minutes a day to help your brain recalibrate. And don't underestimate the power of a balanced diet. Avoid caffeine and sugar, which can spike anxiety and worsen your tinnitus. By consistently engaging these methods, you'll stimulate your brain's ability to shift focus away from those annoying sounds. Remember, every small step counts. Your experiences matter. Please share your journey in the comments. Your insights might just be the hope someone else needs. But I get it. Even knowing all this can feel overwhelming, and managing tinnitus still seems like a never-ending battle. Here's what I discovered as a true friend would. There's this one supplement that finally helped me cut through the noise. After trying countless products that didn't deliver, I was shocked at how effective this was for me. Don't sleep on this. Go check out my homepage. Seriously, it could be the lifeline you've been looking for.